Hi guys, it's Ahhhsoneo. A long time no hear from me, trying to do better. No, I'm not. No, I lie. I am. I will start posting videos again. I did want to share an unboxing because I'm so excited. I picked up an Hermes Clic bracelet from a fellow IG lady that I absolutely adore. She goes by the name Pink Cornbread, and she sent this to me, and I love it so much. That was a little extra gift she added, but here is the actual unboxing, and it was so pristine, guys. Look at that, pristine. I was so happy. Boxed really lovely, wrapped really lovely, and wait till you see the color. It's stunning. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my god, it's perfect. Wow. So there you have it, guys. It's an Hermes Clic bracelet. It's in pink with silver hardware, and I absolutely love it. Remember what I always say, guys, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every hour, every day, every moment. Make the right choice for you. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.